In this in last class we discussed Cauchy's theorem for a triangle. So similar rectangle. So Cauchy's theorem for a rectangle. First statement. So statement here, a function f of z is analytic. So analytic means, in general, analytic means already you know it satisfies CR equations. That is general. But here we are studying complex function, complex integration. Complex integrals we are studying. So f of z is analytic on a rectangle. On a rectangle R. Then we have to prove f of z is analytic on a rectangle R. Then so integral delta R f of z dz is equal to 0. Actually here delta R is there, no? Delta R denotes the boundary curve of R. Okay, so I think all of you understood the statement. It is similar to Cauchy's theorem for a triangle. Okay, so now come to proof. Okay, so here, so you should take one rectangle. This is the rectangle. So this is the capital R. So this rectangle we can divide in the four congruent rectangles. So already I told it is similar to triangle. So their triangle, here rectangle. So this is the R. This rectangle can divide into four congruent triangles. This is R of 1. So this is R of 2. So this is R of 3. So this is R of 4. So these are the directions. These are the directions. So these are the directions of the rectangle. Similarly, R3 and R4. So already I told. So this is the boundaries. So these boundaries. So this is the delta R1. So this is the delta R2. So this is the, I think so we should go this direction or this direction. So delta R1, delta R2, delta R3, delta R4. So our delta R1, delta R2, delta R3, delta 4. So I think here already, so I mentioned R1 and R2. So we should go like this way only. So now come to, so already I told, so this is the rectangle R. So R can divide into four congruent triangles. So that is R of 1, R of 2, R of 3 and R of 4. Okay, so R of 4 by joining the midpoints, by joining the midpoints of opposite sides, Okay, so this is the theory. By seeing diagram only we should write the theory. Okay, so we denote the boundaries of the rectangle in the form of delta R. So here four rectangles is there. So delta R to the power of k, where k is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So now come to delta R. So delta R is equal to delta R of 1 plus delta R of 2 plus delta R of 3 plus delta R of 4. So now according to Cauchy's theorem, integrate. So integrate pa integral delta R. So sorry, integral f of z dz delta R is equal to, so delta R1. So f of z dz. Similarly, so I will write delta R2. I think here also f of z dz will come. So and delta R3 plus delta R4. So clear, so this is a putting equation number 1. So clearly, so already I told it is similar to triangle. Clearly, for at least we should take one integral in RHS. So that is, and take moduli. So modulus integral delta RK f of z dz greater than or equal to, so 1 by 4 modulus of delta R f of z dz. So this is the equation number 2. Equation number 2. So for otherwise we should take, so modulus integral delta R f of z dz, so is equal to modulus is there, so summation k is equal to 1 to 4, summation k is equal to 1 to 4 integral delta R to the power of delta RK, I think delta RK, so f of z dz. So and again, so equal or less than or equal k, take the k outside, summation outside, summation k is equal to 1 to 4 modulus delta RK f of z dz, and this is less than, so less than, which is imposition, so less than modulus integral delta R f of z dz, which is imposition. Okay, so similar actually in so this is a triangle, we can divide into four not triangle, this is a rectangle. So this one we can divide into four congruent rectangles. Already I told R1, R2, R3, R4, and boundaries. These are the boundaries. So that is delta R1, delta R2, delta R3, delta R4 according to Cauchy's theorem. So this is the, and again, so now we should take so integral of RHS, that is state moduli, similar to triangle only. So modulus delta integral delta RK f of z dz greater than or equal to 1 by 4 modulus delta R f of z dz. Otherwise I should take summation taking the outside. So and again this is imposition. Okay, so and put equation number so let R1 denote one, let R1 denotes one of the rectangles R to the RK, one of the rectangles RK for equation holds good. Okay, so already in previous step is there, that is equation number 2, any R1 or R2, so you should be satisfied. I mean holds good means already you know. So if several R to the power of k have the property repeating the process infinitely, we obtain sequence of a triangles. That is not triangles, rectangles are subset of R1, subset of R2, subset so on, subset of Rn. Now so in equation number 2 I taken delta R1, delta R2, delta R3, delta R4. So in equation 1 and equation 2 I taken condition. Okay, in that condition I taken R1 denotes one of the rectangle of R to the power of k for holds good. Okay, so and again this is a sequence of rectangles R, R1, R2, R3, so on Rn. Okay, and I should take now what, delta Rn, because it is a sequence. So modulus integral delta Rn f of z dz greater than or equal to 1 by 4 modulus integral delta Rn minus 1, so f of z dz. dz. So greater than or equal to, so 1 by 4 square delta here Rn minus 1. So Rn minus 1 means this is Rn minus 1 1 by 4. So Rn minus 2 means 4 square. So integral delta Rn minus 2 f of z dz. Okay, so similarly continue the process 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 4 to the power of n. So integral delta r to Rn f of z dz. So this is the equation number 3. And again already I told, so these conditions are satisfied means there exists a 1 point z0. So already I told, similar to triangle only. So there exists a point z0 common to all triangles. Since f of z is unlettered, f of z is unlettered, and f of z is differentiable, and f of z, wherever f of z is differentiable, f of z is already continuity na, f of z is continuous, okay, f of z is unlettered and differentiable for given epsilon greater than 0. We choose delta greater than 0 such that, so this is the condition, epsilon greater than 0, delta greater than 0, such that, so modulus of z minus z0 less than delta. So there exists, so f of z minus f of z0, so divide by z minus z0 minus f dash of z0 less than epsilon. Okay, so wherever f of z is unlettered and differentiable, so epsilon greater than 0, delta greater than 0, such that z minus z0 less than delta. So this is the f of z is differentiable. Okay, so f dash of z0 I shift to LHS, so it becomes minus only. So and again taking LCM, okay, so f of modulus f of z minus f of z0, f of z0 minus so z minus z0 f dash of z0, so less than epsilon z minus z0. So this is equation number 4. So already in triangle, so we taken here, so epsilon and z minus z0 less than delta. There z minus z0 I taken nu, but here, so here I taken r to the power of n r dn, rn or dn. Okay, so let n of z0 comma delta denote the set of all points z for modulus of z minus z0 less than delta. So already similar to triangle, so integral, so integral delta Rn dz is equal to 0. Integral, so delta Rn z dz also 0. Okay, because so when you apply Bernoulli's rule for this equation, you will get 0. Okay, so now, so integral delta Rn f of z dz is equal to delta Rn, so f of z dz, so f of z dz, so minus f of z0, so integral delta Rn dz minus f dash of z0, integral z dz delta Rn, so plus z0 f dash of z0, so delta Rn dz. Okay, so for equation 4, integrate on both sides, so f of z already integral dz also 0, integral z dz is also 0. Okay, integral dz is also 0. So integral f of z dz is also 0. Okay. Okay, so here if if dn denotes, so dn means here length of a diagonal. Okay, if dn denotes length of a diagonal. Okay, so length of a diagonal of a rectangle. Okay, so z belongs to Rn, so modulus of z minus z naught less than or equal to dn. So this is equation number 6. Okay, so now so equation 5 we have. Okay, so equation 5 we have modulus, so integral del Rn, so f of z dz less than or equal to integral del Rn modulus f of z minus f of z naught minus z minus z naught f dash of z naught modulus dz okay, so less than or equal to, so del Rn epsilon, so epsilon. Okay, so epsilon, so in equation number 5 and equation number 6, combined equation 5 and equation 6, so epsilon, so z minus z naught modulus of dz using equation 4 also. So using equation 4 also. Okay, so and modulus, so integral del Rn f of z dz less than or equal to integral del Rn epsilon, so modulus of z minus z naught dn. Okay, so dn means length of a diagonal. Okay, epsilon dn, so modulus of z, so and this is less than or equal to, so epsilon dn, so actually modulus of z is arc length of del Rn. Okay, so now modulus of zn I should take ln, so this is equation number 7. Okay, so where ln denotes so arc length of del Rn, arc length of del Rn. Okay, actually here, so d means diagonal, so d means diagonal, so l means so length of the diagonal. Okay, so if d and l denotes the arc length of the diagonal and perimeter of r respectively, so dn is equal to 2 to the power of minus n d and ln is equal to 2 to the power of minus n l. Okay, so now equation 7 becomes, so equation 7 becomes so modulus integral del Rn, so f of z dz less than or equal to, so equation 7 becomes epsilon, so dn value and ln value is there. Okay, so dn value is 2 to the power of minus n d, ln value 2 to the power of minus n l, so less than or equal to epsilon dl 2 to the power of minus 2n. Okay, so equation number 8, 2 to the power of minus n 2 to the power of minus n into 2 to the power of minus n 2 to the power of minus 2n. Finally, so in equation 3, okay, so observe the notes, so equation 3 with combined with equation 8. Okay, so modulus integral del Rn, so f of z dz greater than equal to 1 by 4 to the power of n, so del r f of z dz. Okay, and so here this is the inequality, so 4 to the power of n, so this value is, this 4 to the power of n shift to LHS. Okay, so 4 to the power of n shift to LHS, this value is there here. Okay, so 4 to the power of n epsilon dl 2 to the power of minus 2n greater than or equal to, so this one as it is. Okay, so modulus integral del r f of z dz. Okay, so 4 means we can written as 2 square. Okay, so 2 square means 2 to the power of 2n. 2 square whole to the power of n means 2 to the power of 2n only. So epsilon dl 2 to the power of minus 2n greater than or equal to modulus delta r f of z dz. So this one I mean 1. So epsilon dl greater than or equal to, so modulus integral delta r f of z dz. Okay, so and integral, so modulus is there, integral delta r f of z dz. So this is the inequality, this RHS will come to, will shift to LHS means this inequality will change, no, less than epsilon L d. So epsilon is very small and epsilon is a arbitrary, so then integral delta r f of z dz is equal to 0. Hence the theorem. So this is the Cauchy's theorem for a rectangle. So here Cauchy's theorem for a triangle, rectangle and circular disc. In these three theorems, one theorem is definite for exam.